Ever seen a monkey with a nose that looks like it belongs in a cartoon? Well, meet this one. This is the proboscis monkey, and yes, the giant nose is very real. It may look funny, but it actually plays a big role in helping the males communicate. However, the females have a smaller nose. You'll find these monkeys deep in the forests and swamps of Borneo, usually hanging out near rivers and mangroves where they feel most at home. You'd think that nose would get in the way, but for them, it's like a built-in speaker. And that potbelly? Well, it isn't from junk food. They have a 4-chambered stomach that helps them digest a cellulose-rich diet. That moment when a male spots a rival, their nose lifts, chest puffs, and the honking begins. It's like jungle trash talk. Proboscis monkeys, just like other monkeys, they love to stay in groups. Usually, you'll see one male with a few females and their babies, like a small jungle family. So, would you ever want to hang out with the big-nosed boy of Borneo? Let us know in the comments below.